So, what do you do when your keys start looking like this? Well, I think you should go on Amazon, order yourself a little, so bad at opening these. Megan, how do you open these? So she could do it in 2 seconds. So, you go on Amazon, and you can order a replacement shell. Not too shabby compared to dealer price. Pad literally has nothing in it. There's no electronics or anything in it. The hard part is figuring out how to open it up. Well, that wasn't so bad. So, let me see here. Take this key out right here, press the little button, take your key out. I don't know if you can see in there or not. A lot of people say use. Okay, there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can do it with the key. Stick it in that slot where it came out of. I just got it turned the other way around. Stick it in there. Put your finger on this and just pry in opposite directions. It comes apart. Or you can take a screwdriver in that little piece right there and just give it a little turn. That's easier, definitely much easier. But if you don't have a little flathead screwdriver around, which most people do, I get it, some people don't. But you can put it in there. Like that. There we go. Pops apart. You see your old key. Your old key has all the electronics in it. So, what we're going to do is take that battery out. Take that battery out of there somehow. Okay, take that battery out of there. Put it in there, plus side down. Let's see, this plus side down right there. Pop it in there. Pop it in there. There we go. Okay. Looks like some other little felt piece in there that didn't come in the new one. So, but we are going to put it in there. Sure, it helps on the vibration a little bit. That little piece right there. Come out of there. We'll put it back in here. My lighting is horrible, I know. Okay, take that. We need to put this back in here. I'm assuming it goes like that for the battery. And then we take this new piece here, the new cover. Click it on there. And our new key should go right back into there and click in. So right there, we got a brand new clicker. Let's go see if it works. I heard that coconut fall. Let's see. Yep, works perfect. there you go. That's how you do it. Brand spanking new. Doesn't say General Motors on the back, but oh well. Thanks for watching. Take care.